Welcome back to the channel. I have another unboxing today. This one I'm very excited about. I've been waiting for this one for literal months to be shipped to me. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing the 2021 M1 Max Pro, or what was it? MacBook Pro M1 Max. Whoa. What is this laptop called? Apple's packaging is usually pretty simple. I just want to do the, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is heavy. Oh geez. Okay. My first ever Apple product that I purchased was a MacBook. The 2012 MacBook Pro with Retina display. In 2012 is when I purchased my first MacBook. I was in high school at the time. I spent $4,000 on a laptop. All of my classmates at the time thought I was insane because I was spending thousands of dollars on a laptop at the time to do YouTube videos as well. While everybody else was out purchasing and saving for cars, I just wanted this MacBook. I've had the same laptop for 10 years. There was a bit of an incident with one in between, but I've had the same laptop for 10 years. So I never dealt with any of the nonsense of the 2016 to the 2020 MacBooks. I have just been working with the same good old 2012 / this is the 2015 because the other one was stolen. I just repurchased the same laptop. We'll say 2012. And it has done wonders for me. It's been battered, dinged up over the years. Screen has been replaced. Lots of things have been fixed on this thing. And I'm so excited to get a true upgrade. I'm not upgrading to missing ports. I'm not upgrading to a touch bar that didn't live to its full potential. I'm literally upgrading the MacBook Pro that I have right now to a new processor and a better screen. And I am so excited. This is heavy. So the only thing really that's going to be changing from the 2012, 2015, I'm going to use those interchangeably, MacBook Pros to this one is the body of the actual laptop. I don't want to say more squared off, but it's definitely reminiscent of the older MacBook Pros, like prior to the 2012. Oh my gosh. Hi. The one thing that I'm definitely going to miss is the light up logo that used to be here. Now it is just the mirrored design. Oh my gosh, audio. I do some really weird unboxings on this channel. Look at the size of the trackpad. So I just purchased the Magic Trackpad and it is almost equivalent in size. It's basically the same size. Look at this. And I've truly been loving the size of this. Just wow, 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 wow. I love that. Okay, so let's just go through the rest of the stuff that's in the box. We have our typical paper stuff. You guys know I love my Apple stickers. I just have a collection of them and they're black. That's a first. Cool. We have the 140 watt charging brick as well, which is great. This is definitely a difference in the one that I am used to. And then we have a braided cable with MagSafe. Everything should have been smashed with the amount of times that I trip on my cord and it gets pulled out. And you know what? It's safe and it's sound because MagSafe is there. When my last
English is the main language, press the return key.
Oh, hey Siri. Oh, the other one turned on now. Hey Siri, turn off.
There's nothing to stop here.
I'm just so grateful I didn't buy into the 2016 to 2020 MacBooks because those didn't have MagSafe on them anymore. And I remember at the time actually being kind of upset about it because I just spent all this money on this laptop and 3 months later, a brand new one was released with all these new features and I'm gonna miss out on it. I didn't miss out on anything. I mean, let's just be honest, they sucked. In comparison to this and the 2012 ones or 2015, no match. I am excited. And that's it. That's all that is in the box. We have the laptop, the charging cable, and the brick. This seems short to me because the 2015 one, it's a lot longer, the cord. There's 2 pieces to the cord, but this just has the charging cord and the brick itself, the power brick. I can't tell either right now if I am totally liking the black on black for the keyboard. For the 2015 model, I have the silver MacBook Pro, so the keys are black and the background behind it is silver. It is still backlit. I don't know if I'm entirely in love with the black on black there. I know these keyboards are backlit as well, and it's nice that there's Touch ID on this as well, but The bezels around the screen alone, they're so much more thin than I'm used to with the 2015. The notch is there, I don't care for it, but like it's there, whatever, we'll move on. New with this MacBook as well is that we brought in the USB-C ports, which is great. I don't have that on the 2015 MacBook Pro. We've got an HDMI port, SD, and an USB-C on here. Oh, and even something simple like the headphone jack, the microphone port, that was taken out of the 2016 to 2020 MacBooks, and it eliminates the use of being able to like actually sit and just plug in headphones. I have my AirPods, yes, I use them all the time, but you know, every once in a while, it's nice to just know that I can plug in any set of regular old headphones from anywhere and still be able to do my work. The other thing I'm really excited about as well is that this laptop is supposed to have really great battery life, and whereas my 2015 one, it's really starting to die out on me at this point. Let's get this bad boy set up. The M1 chips have done well for me so far. I have the 2021 iPad Pro with the M1 chip inside of it, the 12.9 inch one, and I absolutely love this iPad. So I'm only that much more excited just to try the M1 Max chip because it's basically double the chip. Editing on the 2015 MacBook Pro has been a true pain in my behind the last couple months, and it's actually part of the reason why I stopped filming for so long as well. It takes hours to get through footage, and because I'm filming in 4K, it processes, it goes, it's just really slow. Everything is just way slower than it needs to. So I'm so excited to be able to work with a processing chip that is just going to be like a million times the speed. I'm very happy about that. Hi, Coco. The quality of this camera in comparison again to the 2015. I cannot tell you guys enough that when you truly wait for a product to upgrade and to change over the years, that you will truly see some amazing changes on the device that you're using. Like I upgraded from the Series 3 to the Series 6 and I seen such a difference.
Hi, y'all.
You from Texas? But I just want to show you the quality of this camera, like what I'm seeing here. This almost looks animated. It's crazy. Hi. Like the quality is just so good. I cannot wait to bring you guys future videos, to start editing on here. I've bought new editing software. I'm ready to just like up the YouTube game a little bit on this channel here. So if you're interested in seeing more of these types of videos, I do tech unboxings as I purchase things. I don't just like buy things for the sake of buying them. I do tech reviews. There's a lot of lifestyle and nursing type content on here because I am a nurse as well. So stay tuned for a bunch of new videos to come your way. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.